Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I welcome you. Please stick around to watch this yummy and delicious recipe I'm about to show you. It is a bacon jalapeno popper dip. I've made this around 3 times already, and every single time it is a hit. It is the perfect appetizer or side dish for any type of gathering you're having, so let's jump right into it. These are all the ingredients you're going to be needing, and of course I'm going to go ahead and leave down in the description box exactly the amount you'll need. So obviously you're going to need your jalapenos and your bacon. You're also going to need cream cheese, mayonnaise, and sour cream. We're going to take some shredded cheddar cheese and some shredded mozzarella cheese, olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. The recipe also calls for a full head of garlic. I didn't have that for the video, but I'm just going to work with what I have. Also, I should mention that the amount of the ingredients I'm going to put in the description box are going to yield for about 10 to 12 people. I went ahead and I doubled that because I'm making for about 24 people. So first, after washing your jalapenos, you're going to be placing them on a baking sheet. Again, for about 12 people, it takes about 8 jalapenos. I went ahead and I used 16. And you want to place your garlic right in the middle. Give all of that a nice drizzle with olive oil. You can leave your jalapenos as that, but I like to make sure that every single inch of my jalapenos are covered with that olive oil, so I'm just going to, move them around, make sure they're all covered. And then we want to stick those into the oven at 450 degrees for 20 minutes. While the jalapenos are cooking, we're going to get started on the bacon. 1 pack of bacon is enough for 10 to 12 people, but again, I'm doubling that, so I'm using 2 packs of bacon. And for that same reason, you're going to be seeing me using 2 pans to cook my bacon just to be a little bit more time efficient. Have a plate lined with a paper towel ready off to the side, and cook your bacon to your liking. I like to have different textures in my bacon, so you can see some pieces a little bit more crisp than others, but that's just my preference. You do it however you want. 20 minutes are up and my bacon is just about to be ready. I'm going to take out my jalapenos and let them cool off for a little bit. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to want to squeeze the garlic out, and then you're going to want to crumble up the bacon into that bowl as well. Save some bacon pieces for the end because you do want to top off the dip with some bacon pieces that you want to see on top. And next we're moving on to chopping up the jalapeno. You want to cut off the stem. Then I like to cut the jalapenos in half, and then I'm going to deseed it. I'm just doing this with the knife. It's very easy when they're soft like this, just to take everything out of the middle, all the seeds, and chop them up into little pieces. And same thing here with the jalapeno. You want to save some pieces to top off the dip with. Now let's add into that mixing bowl our cream cheese. 2 packs of cream cheese, enough for 12 people. I'm doubling that to 4. Then we're going to be adding the cheddar cheese, 1 cup for 12 people. I'm doubling that again, so 2 cups for me. And right after that, add in the mozzarella cheese. For 12 people, it's going to be 2/3 cup. I'm going to be using 1 cup and 1/3. Then you just want to add in all of the other ingredients. We'll be adding the sour cream and mayonnaise next. And then for the spices, I do like to just go over the bowl with my spices. I know it has a certain measurement. I honestly don't mind if a little bit of extra falls into the bowl. I don't mind it, and it tastes delicious. So you are going to be putting in the garlic powder, the black pepper, and the salt. You can't win them all, but I'm proud I tried. I'm glad we had a dialogue. It's good to shake. Give that a nice good mix until everything is well combined and smooth. Speeding up the pace, turning up the heat. And then we're going to be transferring all of this dip mix into a baking pan. This is the one I just so happen to have, and that it fits all of this. bring back the bacon pieces and the jalapeno that we put off to the side. Now we can go ahead and put it as our topping on top of our dip. It's gonna look so pretty. Here, just making sure that you have everything nicely spaced out, I guess. It's so fun. At the end, it's just so delicious and aesthetically pleasing to look at. Like, look at how yummy. And that's before the oven. So we're going to place it inside the oven for another 20 minutes, this time at 375 degrees. And voila! Our dip is finally made. Whoa, careful there, Ashley. It's a little bit heavy. You guys seriously need to try this. It's so warm, it's creamy, it's gooey, it's all the deliciousness that you ever want in your mouth. And if you don't believe me, here's my dad. He was the first one to try it out in this party.
It's delicious.
Yay!
I give my approval, my thumbs up. Two thumbs up for this delicious dip that Ashley made. Look how good. It has jalapeños, it has delicious cheese and bacon.
Hope you guys give it a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!